Hello, kids! Get ready for a magical adventure with Celestara Tales.
What if a single magical flower could save an entire kingdom, but its magic was stolen? Only one brave princess can bring it back.
Far away lies the beautiful Kingdom of Rosehaven, a land filled with blooming flowers, shining fountains, and endless magic. Here lived Princess Rosabella. She was kind, gentle, and loved flowers more than anything in the world.
Every flower deserves a little kindness.
And maybe a few carrots, too.
And her best friend, Snowflake the rabbit. He was cute, but a little too scared of everything. At the heart of the kingdom stood the legendary Golden Rose. It protected all the happiness of Rosehaven.
The Golden Rose is losing its magic!
One day, Fairy Luna appeared and brought terrible news. The magic of the Golden Rose has been stolen, and only kindness and courage can bring it back.
The stolen magic is hidden deep inside the Enchanted Forest. Then that's where we're going. You will need courage for this journey. I'm ready. I hope I am. Adventure snacks! Hick! Oops! Nobody has ever helped me before. Everyone deserves kindness.
Together with Snowflake, she stepped into the Enchanted Forest, where magic and mystery lived everywhere.
Let's see what we can find. The bridge is disappearing! This is incredible! Thank you, Ember. Now let's go save Rosehaven. The stolen magic is here.
Leave now.
I don't want to fight.
I didn't steal the magic. I was protecting it.
Then you're not our enemy.
You don't have to be alone anymore.
The magic is returning. The Golden Rose has been healed.
A wave of golden energy spread across Rosehaven. Flowers bloomed instantly. Butterflies filled the sky. Kindness wins. Magic starts where love begins.
If I survive this adventure, I am eating carrot cakes. She actually did it!
Rosabella, you saved the kingdom not with power, but with kindness. From that day on, Rosabella became known.
Where there's hope, there's magic.
Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more magical stories.